click on the image. At the top, go to Edit. And in Magic Studio, click Background Generator. Now you can generate a new background for this image. So let's say I want to change this background into something different. I have a prompt here that I've previously used. I'm just going to use it for this example. I'm going to click Generate. And now I have 4 images I can work off of. And if I want to generate it again, I can modify my prompt to make it more specific to what I want. But if I'm satisfied with the result, I can select any one of these 4 images and click Done. And now my background has changed. So if you have any questions or comments, be sure to leave it down in the comment section below. If you enjoy my videos, consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you and have a great day.